So I got my Smile Direct Club box today in the mail, and I just threw it in my car because I'm about to go to class. But here's everything. These are teeth whitening pens. These are quotes that are like, says truths to grin by, but they're just stuff to kind of make you smile. These are when you have your aligner in and it doesn't feel right and you like chew on it so it like fits more to your teeth. This is to remove the aligner. This is the aligner holder. This, I cannot get it out and I don't know what it is. I think it's just to lift this up, but basically under this is a smile stretcher. That's just so I can take pictures to upload them and send it to them so they can see my progress. But that's pretty much everything. I've already opened my first week just now, so month 1, week 1, and it has like my doctor and my name on it, and they're actually in here. I had them in for a little bit on the drive here, but yeah, so I will be doing a update tonight on how they feel after I've been in school all day, so stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and put my week 1, month 1, week 1 aligners in, just to kind of show you guys. So this is what they look like. It's like this. I've already had them in, so there's kind of like some drool in there, so don't mind that. And then here's this one. I'm mainly focusing on my bottom teeth. You can see that they're pretty uneven, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in. Okay. And that's it. I'm gonna have a lisp. There you go. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth and I'm about to floss before I do the teeth whitening. It's called Bright On Smile Direct Club, 2 days, 4 uses. So I'm really not going to be using a lot of this because, one, I don't really feel like I need it. I feel like my teeth are already like pretty white. So I'm just going to floss and then I'm going to put that on, and you just leave it sit for a little bit and then rinse your mouth. And then you put your retainers back in, or your aligners. So I just finished eating, and that's the reason why I just brushed my teeth and then I'm flossing and stuff. And then I just kind of wanted to try out the whitening, so. Okay, so I'm going to be applying it now. You can see there's some on here. And I'm just going to be putting it on the teeth that I feel like are not the whitest. Wow. So I let it sit on there for just a little bit and then I just spit it out. It doesn't really say how to like get it off or if you should rinse it. So I just spit it out. And now I'm going to rinse my my aligners because I already had them in before. So I'm just gonna do that now. And I'm just going to slide it back in. Yay. Don't we just love aligners? They hurt, I swear.